Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the BONK update video. And this right now, my technical target for BONK has been met. And very quickly, we have 3 more days to close the private entry. So we have, you can scroll down, click on Discord to join the Discord, and also click on the announcement tab, click on my name and message me right over there in order for you to be a part of the private. So right now, BONK is making sideways movement, and what is the RSI suggesting? We do have a small bearish divergence happening right now. So BONK has performed much better than many crypto out there, to be honest with you, because most of the crypto, they're still stuck down here. I mean, ever since the market dropped down, most of the crypto are still stuck right over here. They're not even doing this thing. Instead, when you look at BONK, BONK has already moved up 92% to the upside ever since 20th of April. So within 8 days, we have a very nice big move to the upside. Now, the thing is that you have already broken the channel. So there are some possibilities where we can actually see BONK back up to the top of the channel, which is 4234. Right, there is a chance there. If you told me that, hey, can BONK go up here, there is a chance that it actually goes out there. But we've seen a technical target of the bull flag being met. So you've actually moved to the upside. You made a bull flag right over there. You move up like this. You're moving sideways. So the thing is that if I take the trend line and I do place the trend line like that and like this one more time, so we can actually see a squeeze about to happen until what is this? So we're looking for a decision time until 2nd of May, probably maximum time. Today's 28, so maybe 4 to 5 more days, and then we're going to see how this little bit of a pennant here is going to respond. Because if you do break down, we're looking for 2300. If you start to push all the way to the upside, then we could actually be touching 3400 in the near future. And that's pretty much it for this update. Just wanted to talk about this pennant, and I'm going to see you the next round, office.